particular video is focused on Microsoft Office 2024. Okay, let's get started. As usual, the first thing to download, the first thing to download is the Office deployment tool. Office deployment tool. So here we're going to quickly download the Office deployment tool. Just click on it after, of course, searching for that on google.com. Now it brings us directly to this place. If you have been watching our other videos on how to download and install and activate Office programs, you find that we have used this tool before. I would not advise you to go and use one of the old ones. If you look here, you can see that there is a different, this is the different version. This is the latest version of this particular Office deployment tool. Okay, there's really no difference in terms of the files that are in the folder, after we extract the Office deployment tool. You'll see later. Okay, but I believe that there is a difference in this latest package. The difference may not be clear, but the versioning is clear from my end here. So I'd advise that you re-download the Office deployment tool, okay, so that you don't get into issues along the way. All right, so here I click, and the program is downloaded already here, right here. I click here, sorry, just to look for the program. See, they downloaded twice, so I'm gonna take one of them. Let's go to the folder. All right, here, this is the program downloaded. Right click, cut, and then minimize this for short time. Right click on your desktop, create a folder. Let's call this folder Office 2024. Hit the enter key. Right click on the folder again and paste the Office deployment tool just downloaded. Double click on this, right click inside, create a subfolder inside this. Let's call this Office 24. Hit the enter key. Now right click on the Office deployment tool and click run as administrator. Just click yes. All right, click to agree to accept the license, click continue. Now on this folder you need to navigate to the subfolder in the Office 2024 folder. Click there, navigate, look at it here. Click on the Office 24, click OK, and it says the Microsoft Office, click to run administrator tool has been successfully extracted. Click OK. Right, double click here on the Office deployment on the Office 2024. Now we don't need all of these files. Remember, this is always the case. Okay, so we're going to delete. Now we're going to delete this. Click and delete. I'm going to hold down my shift key and hit the delete key to delete that permanently. Delete the next one, shift delete. Delete you choose between these two. If your machine is 86, you go for this one. If it's 64, you go with this one. My machine is 64, so I'm going to delete 86. All right, so here, now be careful here, sometimes when you're here you may not see your file extension, and if that is the case, if you're not seeing your file extension, to be sure that this is a .xml file, you can quickly go to your view menu here and tick the file name extensions. All right, mine is already ticked, that's why it's like this. Okay, so right click on this file, click rename. So right click on this file, click rename, and here we need to remove, be careful here so that you don't remove the .xml. Delete the whole of this and leave stop at configuration. What I have here now is configuration.xml. Click outside to accept that name. It will bring you to this page. Scroll down scroll down, scroll down, go down, go down. Yes, here we need to copy this configuration file now. So we'll copy it. Just hit this copy here. You can see this copy here. Yeah. Let's go back. Minimize this. Open. Double click to open this configuration.xml file. Double click. It is open now. You can expand it so you can see the rest of the things there. Press Ctrl A or highlight all and Ctrl V to paste what you just copied. Right now, we just pasted this one, but we don't need all of these products. Okay, so we need to remove some of this, because if we go ahead and install at this point, the Office Deployment Tool is going to install Microsoft Office 2024 Pro Professional version. It's going to install Visio 2024. It's going to install Project Pro 2024 as well. So we don't need all this. All right, so you carefully come to this product name. Leave this last command here. So come to this product Visio, highlight it until you get to the last point. Okay, take note, this /product is for this Visio, /product here is for this one. So only these two items. Be careful here. Any mistake you make here will stop your installation process from taking place successfully. So I'm going to hit my delete key to delete that. That is deleted. I can hit it again. Be careful here, just to bring it closer. Hit it again. Be careful. See where it is stopped now. All right. So after this, I'll save changes. Go to File, click Save. That's all. Now close this. Okay. On this address bar, just click. It will be highlighted like this. Type in CMD on the keyboard. Hit your enter key to bring you to this particular command prompt. Go back to the install page on Microsoft website. Go there. You're going to copy this command, this console command, setup.xex space / configure space configuration.xml. Copy it. Okay, the link is provided in the description below. Don't need to come all the way to the space. Minimize. Right click to paste this, and after this, hit your enter key. Alright, so the process has started already. Now you're going to ignore for now this report here, Microsoft 365 and Office. Okay, just go ahead and click yes. Now it has started. There's a problem. It says we can't install. Why can't you install? We can't install. To install this product, first uninstall the following products and try again. I have installed on this PC Microsoft Visual Professional 2019 version, Office Professional 2019 version, Project Professional 2019 version. So I'm going to have to uninstall all of this from my PC before I can proceed. Now this is important. You need to uninstall. So I can't proceed from here. I need to first go and install these 3 programs from our PC. So let's get that done. I'm going to close this and close this too, and close this too. Okay, and quickly go to my control panel. Type in control panel. Control panel is out. Go there. Go to programs and features. I'm looking for Microsoft Office, Microsoft Professional 20. This one, Microsoft Professional Plus 2019. Click on it, and here is uninstall. Click. All right. It says ready to uninstall. Yes, uninstall. We just uninstalled 3 programs: Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2019, Visual Plus 2019, and Project Plus 2019. Without uninstalling those programs, Office 2024 cannot be installed on this PC. Remember our Office 2024 folder. Double click on it. Remember the Office 24 folder, double click on it. Alright, so while you're here on the address bar, just click generally and click CMD, hit the enter key. Now this brings you to this command prompt. Right click to paste the configuration in a setup instruction the other time. Now from here you can hit the enter key, wait for instructions. Okay. Click yes and wait for further instructions. Now it says we are getting things ready. Finally, it says please stay online while Microsoft 365 and Office downloads. Don't forget, we are not installing 365, we're installing Office LTSC 2024. We're installing Office 2024. We're installing Office 2024 and not Office 365. But this is what it's saying for now. So we'll have to wait until it is fully downloaded, and then we will open up the programs to confirm what exactly we have. This is Office 2024 and not 2023. Finally, I got a pop-up here. It says installation is finished. Your Microsoft 365 and Office products are now completely installed. You can now go offline or shut down. Don't forget, we are installing Office 2024 LTSC, not 365. But this is showing this, okay? And here it says you are all set. The Microsoft 365 and Office apps are installed on your computer. So we'll close this now. All right, and we'll also close this command prompt. We're done with it. All right, so let's now go and look for the programs in Office 2024 and then also activate Office 2024. It must be activated. Don't forget, we didn't activate it. Microsoft has provided a special key. I don't know how long this key will last, so I think this is a working key for now, but how long it's going to last we don't know. Right, so we're going to copy one of these keys and activate the program with it. This is Office LTSC 2024 for commercial preview. This is what we're going to do. We're going to copy this one now, and now we're going to activate this. Let's copy this first. Copied. Okay, let's open Microsoft Word. This is Microsoft Word. It's opening. Word 2019. Don't forget, it's 2024 actually. Accept the license agreement. Now here we come. It says Microsoft Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024. Preview includes these apps. 2024, all right? It says 2024. All these 6 apps are there. I think this is Microsoft Word, this is Excel, this is PowerPoint, this is OneNote, is it Outlook? Yes, Outlook. And then this is OneNote, and this is Access. This product also comes with Office automatic updates for free. We're going to accept license here. All right, let's go ahead and activate. Remember, the activation code we copied. Let's go to account here, and here it says Microsoft activated, product activated already. Microsoft Office LTSC is activated. This product contains blah 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 activated. Well, this activation seems to be automatic. I think we picked up the activation from my previous Office installed and activated 2019, installed on this PC before and activated, unless of course I want to change the key. For now it shows product activated, so I don't think I'd like to change the key at this point. Let's just leave it at this point because product is activated. It says Microsoft product is activated. But of course, if you want to change the key, or if yours shows that the product is not yet activated, I've shown you where to copy the code. The code is provided. The activation license or activation code has been provided for free by Microsoft. How long it's going to last, I don't know. So let's go to Excel. This is Excel. Excel is opening up. This is Excel 2024 version. Notice, of course, the icons here are different as well. Notice it didn't force me to sign in, unlike 2021 version that will pick up your details automatically from Microsoft Edge. Okay. Now everything here is good to go. Account says this is activated again. That's beautiful for me. Automatically activated. Running it on the same PC that had the previous version working perfectly. I think it will pick up some activation details from your previous license. I don't know. I can confirm that for sure. For now, we'll find out. All right. So don't save. Today to my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to tell others about this channel. And don't forget to come back to this channel another time for new videos. We keep producing videos every week, sometimes twice in a week. Don't forget to join us again another time. Thanks for staying tuned. Thank you very much for stopping by.